everyone, this is Ashmita from Saurav's classes, and this is a part of the question paper that is presented to you on the screen. This is from the ISS IES 2022 question paper we are doing, and I'm focusing on the General Studies paper currently. We are going to solve one question in each class. Okay, so today's question is from question number 4. 4A we are doing today in today's class. Let's get to see what the question is saying. Here, before moving over to the question, let me tell you, you cannot exceed more than 200 words. Like you need to write 200 words, but you cannot exceed that word limit. The first question for you for today's class is the preamble is the key to the whole constitution. So whatever the preamble will state, the constitution will have to listen. And preamble is the actual thing on which the entire constitution rules and regulations depend. So what can you write in this answer? You need to comment. As you can see on your screen, here I have given you certain points regarding the question that we were discussing. I won't be giving you the entire answer just in an explanatory form. Rather, I would be giving you certain points that you can incorporate in your answer if you're given this kind of a question. So how you can write, what you need to write, that is what we're going to discuss in today's class. So preamble is the key to the Constitution. Question number 4A we are discussing. A preamble is an intro. First, you need to introduce what is preamble. Like, what is preamble? Give an introduction. What is it? You cannot just go over to the comment portion. First, you need to introduce the topic. A preamble is an introductory statement in a document that explains the document's philosophy and the objectives. In a constitution, it presents the intention of its framers, the history behind its creation, and the core values and the principles of the nation. So this is all about the preamble, okay? All the details about the preamble. The preamble basically gives idea of the following things or objects. Now you talk about what all are there, like what does it comprise of? Source of the Constitution, nature of Indian state, statement of its objectives, date of its adoption. All these information are given in the preamble. Okay, so it is indicated by the preamble that the source of authority of the Constitution lies with the people of India. So here now we need to discuss what is there written in the preamble. Next, preamble declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. So what we are right now reading is what all are written in the preamble. What all? The objectives stated by the preamble are to secure justice, to attain liberty, to then equality to all citizens, and promote fraternity to maintain the unity and integrity of the nation. The date is mentioned that is mentioned in the preamble when it was adopted was 26th of November 1949. You need to write all these when you are talking about the preamble and about the key, that is, it's the key to the Constitution. You need to write every important details regarding what is written inside the preamble. Now, of course, this is written in the preamble, that is, we the people of India. Now, this indicates the ultimate sovereignty of the people of India. Sovereignty means the independent authority of the state not being subject to control of any other state or external power, like totally independent. What is sovereign? The term means that, so we are discussing about the terms that are written in our preamble. Okay, the term means that India has its own independent authority and it is not a dominion of any other external power. So you need to like discuss the topics that are there in the preamble. Okay. In the country, the legislature has the power to make laws which are subject to certain limitations. Then you have the next term, that is socialist, which also you need to discuss. That is, the term means the achievement of socialist ends through democratic means. It holds faith in a mixed economy where both private and public sectors coexist side by side. Okay, it was added in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. So you need to mention when it was added and what is its objective. You have other terms in the preamble like secular is there. The term means that all the religions in India get equal respect, protection and support from the state. It was incorporated, so secular term was incorporated by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment of 1976 in the preamble. The next word that you have is democratic. Now, this term implies that the Constitution of India has an established form of constitution which gets its authority from the will of the people expressed in an election. Okay, so next word that is there in the preamble is republic. This term indicates that the head of the state is elected by the people. In India, the president of India is the elected head of the state. So we can conclude that obviously preamble is the key to the constitution because whatever is incorporated or written in the preamble, that is being followed by all of us, even by the constitution itself. So that was all the discussion about today's class and about that question. We are going to meet once again in our next classes. Till then, if you want to prepare well for your entrance-based tests or competitive examinations, you can join our classes. At Saurav's classes, we provide you with live lectures, recorded lectures, doubt clearing sessions, study materials, solutions to the previous year's question papers, crash course facilities, scholarship facilities, and all these benefits you can get from our expert teachers. And if you want to buy our study materials, you can go to Amazon and Flipkart also. There you will get our study materials too. If you want to join our classes, just go to the description box below this video. You will get all the details and information regarding our classes. You can visit our website, that's www.sauravsirsclasses.com, and you can also just dial the number that is provided in the description box. Just below this video you will get it. That's it for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.